Alright, so my problem is a little bit different. But what you're gonna do with somebody sitting near you is take that data, enter it into your calculator. One, you're gonna do it by hand like you did in 3.3. Pick two of the points that you think will create a decent one. Then you're gonna let the calculator do one, and you're gonna compare your two methods and see which one do you think would be better. Okay? So do that now. So I've entered all the data in, list 1, list 2. This time I used the actual year. I typed it in only because, you know, doing the 1988, 1992, 1994, they don't skip every 4 years, they're only going every 2. That's when they separated the Summer and Winter Olympics. So we have to match a window. So we're going to go into window. My years now, I can go something like 1970 to maybe go 2015. By 5s again would be fine. And the times go from a max of almost 80 down to 68. So we could go something like 64 seconds to a maximum of 84 seconds by 4, whatever, it doesn't matter. I've already got my stat plot turned on. So if you didn't do that, you have to go second y equals stat plot on. And you should have a graph like this. Again, what kind of correlation is that?
Negative.
Negative. The years are increasing, the times are coming down.
I know that.
Now, if you are going to pick a couple points to draw a straight line through, that's what we're supposed to do first. Which two might we pick? So you could hit trace, hit the trace button up here, and it will tell you exactly what dot you have highlighted. So if I pick that dot that's blinking, I can go down. Where did that one go? Oh, trace. Go to the right. Now I'm on that one. Go to the right. I'm on that one. Go to the right. So you see how you can use your calculator to get the exact point? So what we could do is probably pick the first one and see how there are 3 of them at the bottom. I'm just going to pick the one in the middle. So let's write this one down. Let's use that one, 1976, 79.32. And then like I said down here, if I use this one and that first one, my line would be slightly under the grouping. And I think if I use the top one, it would be out there. So of the 3 bottom ones, I'm going to use the one in the middle. 2006, 68.89. So those will be my 2 points. So what do I have to do to find my line of best fit? First, calculate the slope. Take your y values, your times, subtract them, then subtract your years. So basically I took the y that's on top minus the y that's on the bottom, the x that's on top minus the x on the bottom. Y went up to the sky. The easiest way to do it is to put the top in parentheses, hit divide, put the bottom in parentheses. Can somebody tell me what we're getting for a slope?
I did this without the parentheses and I got Negative 0.3476.
Negative 0.3.
Negative 0.3476.
What is the real world meaning of that slope? They're taking about 0.3 seconds off their times every year is how you would say it, right? Because it's time on top per seconds on the bottom. So if it says write an equation, I should be able to just write y equals slope x minus, pick one of the solution points. Let's just do the one on top, 79.32 plus 1976. We're going to convert that into a slope-intercept form because the next one will be slope-intercept form. Can somebody please take that number times that for me? What is negative 0.3476 times negative 79.32? Got that number? Add 1976.
I followed the times negative 79.32 and I got 2003.57.
The final answer is 2000.
2003.57.
2003.57.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what that's telling you is the race started in 2003, which doesn't really make sense for us, but that's the intercept for the problem. Now we're going to let the calculator do the work. Stat, calculate, number 4, enter. So negative 0.30, let's just round up, that's 8989, so let's round it up. Negative 0.31 x with a 690 so the intercepts are definitely way off, so I'm not sure what can happen. These calculations are correct. According to the equation, how many seconds will the 100 meter or the 1,000 meter speed skating event be won at in the 2014 Olympics? So you can pick either one of those equations to type in 2014. Depending on which one you use, you're going to get different answers, correct? So take 2014, put it here, or put it there. Last problem you guys can work on your own, and I'm going to hand out the 3x worksheet.